Life, like a solar eclipse, is an ephemeral and marvelous phenomenon given to us by God. Every day we live is a divine gift, an opportunity to experience and grow. Sometimes, as in an eclipse, darkness can hide our inner light. But that does not mean that our essence, like the sun, has completely disappeared. In those moments of darkness, it is important to remember that the light always returns. The Bible tells us in Luke 19:5 that there will be signs in the sun, the moon and the stars, and that the earth will be distressed among the nations, perplexed because of the roaring of the sun. This darkness can represent the challenges and trials we face in life. However, it is important to remember that this darkness is only temporary, a veil that allows us to appreciate the light even more when it returns. When we find ourselves in the shadows of the moon, in those moments of darkness and difficulty is when we most need to remember that the light always returns. No matter how total the eclipse, no matter how deep the darkness, the sun always shines again, and does so with an even more impressive radiance, as if the darkness had served to accumulate even more energy, even more light. Life is a constant cycle of light and dark, of bright moment and shadow moment. Even in the darkness there is beauty and lessons to be learned. It is in those moments of challenge that we grow and become stronger. Every experience, both positive and negative, shapes us and helps us become the best version of ourselves. And each time the light returns, we find ourselves stronger, wiser and fuller of life. Overcoming obstacles allows us to appreciate the beauty of the light even more and teaches us to cherish every moment of happiness and joy. It is in the darkness that we learn to be resilient, to trust in ourselves and in divine guidance. So, when you find yourself in, do not despair. Remember that the light always comes back, and when it does, it will be ready to shine even brighter. Life, like a solar eclipse, is an ephemeral and wonderful phenomenon that we must appreciate in all its phases. And always at all times remember that the presence of God in our lives, in our life, and walk not through the darkness and into the light. I hope these words inspire you and remind you that even in the darkest moments there is always hope and light on the horizon. May God bless you and guide you on your path to the light.